You, Mish.
You guys
Yo,
need to stop ignoring me, yeah.
Vyomesh, say I love MTV.
Yeah, I love MTV.
No, I'm. Huh? Are we like guys?
I was on the Zoom call.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Arushi is
I
always
kept.
winning, bro. Arushi is always winning with me.
Oh, you
No.
guys are turning. Oh,
Cat is
cute.
Janvi. Janvi is like
You
excited
are
to
winning
see
with the
myself in the
cat,
next episode.
Devon. You and cat are winning, actually.
Oh
Yeah.
fuck! What are you saying? What the
Me,
fuck?
but me and Bhuvnesh are. Oh, this is so
What
weird. Oh
the
God.
fuck? So in my phone, me and Kat on top, and you guys are like on the
Yeah.
bottom frame.
Ah,
Yeah.
same,
I
Same.
don't know if it's
exactly.
like that.
Same on
Yeah.
mine.
So I was on the Zoom call. I was scrolling because there's a side where you can scroll through and see four frames at a
Yeah.
time.
Really? Oh, I.
So
I,
yeah, so
I
only
was
like
watching Gary. I was
I,
watching Gary.
yeah, I am only so only around five six people had the video on. Gary had his video on. Vyom had his video on.
Sapna,
Shivam, Sapna, Jay had his video on.
Aditi.
And Aditi had a video on. So I'm scrolling to see what people are doing and all because I like mid conversation like I got bored because I understood what they were trying to tell us. So I was like, okay, like I got the point and all. So now I'm scrolling to see what the people are doing
Let's
and all.
not talk about it here. Maybe. Let's
Trevor
talk
like
to.
Trevor was like
Yeah,
that pointers were not for me anyways.
which
Yeah.
It was not for me.
how is the
Maybe
situation?
that was for Vyomesh. I think so. It was for Vyomesh.
No, but I'm happy all of us are doing quite well online. I mean, it's
Yeah.
a good.
Everyone's doing very good. It's all
Said
because of MTV.
I'm surprised he
Okay,
said that this
guys,
season. No, I'm
guys,
surprised he said that
we
this
all are
season is
doing so
doing
good
better.
because of MTV. Okay?
No, I mean, I was surprised he said this season is doing really well, like compared to
Yeah,
most of
yeah.
the other seasons. And
It
I was like,
is.
wow.
It is.
I was like,
Like, you can see the way it's going so far.
Yeah. Every
yeah,
contestant
It
is growing.
is. Everyone's
Yeah.
doing really well.
yeah. And like, if you compare some of the growth, like the other years, it's like, boom,
Yeah, yeah. It
it's
is.
way too much, man.
इतनी कंट्रोवर्सी कभी आएंगी
Teja
नहीं.
hai.
There are
What
a
was the
lot of
thing?
controversy. Everybody has their own fights here.
Yeah. So they
Yeah,
actually said
13 seasons. अरे
we should
guys, पता है
actually,
बिग बॉस का 13 सीजन भी सबसे बड़ा था. Hopefully our 13 season will be
yeah,
bigger.
maybe 13 is a lucky number for us.
Yeah.
It's my lucky
One sec,
number,
huh?
9 and 13.
How is the
Huh?
cyclone in Goa? The cyclone in Goa is bad, guys. Me and
Yeah, it was bad. Now it's
has
not
it
crazy.
it's hit Jammu as well, right? Has it? No, right?
No.
No.
Trevon is just worried about.
Bombay. Oh God, Trevon, Bombay is really
Bombay,
bad right now.
Bombay was today, right? Bombay was today. Oh,
Yeah.
yesterday.
Okay, and
Dude, we didn't
yesterday
have Vyomesh, you sent me a reel, na? Like to share, like I was gonna share it, bro. I not like I didn't have we didn't have electricity in Goa. Like some places still don't have for 3 days. So we didn't have electricity for 18 hours in my house. I was like, so, but ये आवाज क्या है भाई? Cat, mute yourself.
huh?
Mute yourself.
Yeah,
Yeah, dude,
man.
we didn't have electricity
Very
for 18 hours. I was so frustrated. That's the first time I was like without internet. And I was like, fuck,
स्क्रीन टाइम
man, I
चला
don't
के पता ही
know.
नहीं थे. There was this person, मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी, मेरे को कहती तेरा स्क्रीन टाइम कितना होगा. मैंने कहा होगा 4-5 घंटे. कहती आई कैन बेट ऑन माई लाइफ इट्स मोर देन 12 आवर्स. मैंने कहा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. 8 घंटे तो मैं सोता हूँ.
Yeah.
नहाना धोना खाना पीना जिम जाना 2 घंटे. तो मैंने कहा यार पॉसिबल ही नहीं है 12 घंटे. एंड देन आई चेक माई स्क्रीन टाइम 12 आवर्स 13 आवर्स 15 आवर्स. मैंने कहा मैं सोते हुए भी फोन चलाता हूँ क्या.
My screen time,
आई
okay,
वाज
you know,
लाइक
you can on like an iPhone, you can go and check your like, I mean, on phones, you can check your app screen time, right?
या
Yeah.
Like, you know how much my screen time for Instagram was?
9 and my is 9 hours bro. 9 fucking hours. 8
I
hours.
had 10 to
Mine is
11
16.
hours on Instagram. 10 to
Yeah,
11
mine
hours on
is I think
Instagram. I'm
7, 8
just like,
hours.
fuck,
पहले मैं
man. We
बहुत
need,
कर रखती थी, but now it's like 7, 8 hours
you
per
know what,
day.
I'll tell you what we should start doing. We should start doing our live sessions now. And if the live session is interesting, we should save it and save the IGTV video as well. And and remove the IGTV video and put it on YouTube and tell guys, if you want to watch the live session that we had, go to YouTube and people can just watch it on YouTube instead. So we also spend less time on Instagram. I had that idea because if a live session is fun, people usually want to watch it, right? And if you save it on IGTV, people go on watching
Yeah.
it, man.
Anyways, it is
So
uploaded on YouTube. It's uploaded on
yeah. So I figured if we put that on YouTube, like people might just go there and be like, okay, मुझे देखना है live session में क्या होगा, like, you know. And I can bring my Instagram time down because I think YouTube is you can monetize more
Yeah.
through YouTube, right? Like
We
might as
should
well
start your YouTube.
might as well spend more screen time on YouTube and make money out of it instead of like spending so much on Instagram,
Exactly.
dude. Fuck,
And
11
then,
hours.
yeah, exactly. It's like feeding your brain McDonald's every day.
Guys, I don't have a YouTube channel yet, but Vyomesh, Arushi, and Kat do, so subscribe to their channels.
I have not
And
even.
I'm like,
Please, I have 65,000 subscribers now. Thank
and
you, guys.
Arushi is close to 50, right?
I had 5K and I'm so like so
Cat,
happy. And
video upload
I have
Karan,
to-
add a swipe of story. You should have at least 50K by the end of the night, bro.
Yeah.
Nahi, it's not fasting it, but I'm really grateful. I really wanted to like get.
Is there a way you can see? I feel like the issue is on YouTube, right? You can watch the video and like some people just watch it and don't subscribe because they just want to see the video, right? So they'll swipe up, watch the video. Yeah, swipe up, watch the video and not subscribe. So I think there's an option where you can lock the video as well, right? And unless and until they subscribe, only then they can watch it, right?
Really?
No.
Is there some option like that?
That's like only fans, Shravan. You're going to wrong.
Is that Kevin? Is that Kevin's account?
No.
Kat, I am coming to India to pick you up.
Yeah.
Pick up you. Okay,
No,
that's not Kevin's account. That's not
No,
Kevin's account.
that's not. It's
No,
Amla
no,
Sitwal.
He's misspelled his surname.
Amla.
Cat was like, I'm sure it's not me.
First of all,
I'll-
Kevin won't
not-
say
it's not
that. So
But he said it wrongly also. It's I'm coming to India to pick up you.
we'll pick up you. Sure.
Why have you pinned this comment? Janvi Sikaria, 13 is Taylor Swift's lucky
नहीं,
number.
because
Team.
हम इतना बातें कर रहे थे, so we just ignored her. So I thought that I'll pin it and then we'll talk about
Oh,
it.
Cat.
I was like,
Arushi, Janvi wants to do a live with you to celebrate 100K.
Yeah, we do now.
yeah.
I really request you guys to start performing. Nikita, Samruddhi, you need to perform. We can
Guys, बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है यार. हर डोम सेशन में सेव नहीं कर सकते. Guys, come on. Arushi are already posting. Yeah, Cat will perform. Arushi, everybody's reposting. Oh, yeah, Cat will perform. And
बहुत बड़ा लेक्चर दिया था मैं डोम से आने के बाद. I was so like 9F and I was like, oh my god. And मैं सबको सुना रही थी कि please guys perform. नहीं तो हम डांस करने वाले हैं.
I remember.
No.
But Vyomesh and Arushi, we want to.
And
I
Nikita.
mean, since people are
Nikita is
watching,
like so uninterested.
we want to know how it feels in the Silver Villa since Vyomesh is the first time he's coming to
Oh yeah.
Silver Villa. I mean,
Real shit, no, I'm sure.
I want to tell you a secret.
hey, fuck off. What for shit?
Shifted to Silver Villa, but I still had my bags in Golden Villa till the end. मतलब मैं जब तक था मैं Golden Villa में ही सोया. मैं नहीं जाऊंगा.
Yeah.
Come back officially. I'm gonna come back officially, but मैं नहीं जा रहा है छोड़ के. I used to sleep there alone. भाई मैं वहीं पे सोऊंगा.
There were 4 villas, right? There were 4 golden villas, right?
Yeah.
I mean, there were 4 rooms technically.
Four rooms, yeah.
Dhruv, Nikhil,
I miss my
4 rooms.
and Sapna. And
Honestly, the only difference I could see between the gold and silver villa was that the golden villa bathrooms were like fucking massive.
Yeah.
So big, and I was like, yeah, ये एक separate room ही है भाई, ये bathroom नहीं है, venture, this is so big the bathroom. So I was like, if I had a camera, we had our phones on, we could take such aesthetic pictures in that bathroom. Because it's so cool, man.
मेरा तो जर्नी गोल्ड विला से स्टार्ट हुआ था. It's just been
Remember,
there.
like before, remember that, Vyomesh,
पहले पहुंच गए थे.
Vyomesh, remember this? Remember when we were in before the show started? Like we were all the boys were we were like called for a small meeting, and they were telling us how to keep our rooms like slightly clean because when they're shooting, जब room में shoot करे थोड़ा साफ दिखना चाहिए ना.
Even we were
So
called.
remember that? Yeah, that time. Remember they told us like the luggage can't be seen, so you have to keep it somewhere hidden or like or somewhere in the bathroom or something. And I'm like, यार ये दो तीन बैग इतने बड़े बड़े बैग है तो बाथरूम में कैसे जाएगा? Then I went and saw the bathroom. I'm like, oh man, sure. They तो यहाँ तो like my full like 5-6 bags will go here यार, and I bought just 2 bags. So I'm like, okay,
I
ठीक है यार.
should keep all
10
my
bags are-
bags, everything.
10 bags, bro.
इतने
You had 10
shoes है
bags?
कि पूरा
हाँ,
किसके
200
पास?
kg of luggage, bro. 200 kg.
I went to Kat and Kevin's room, okay, and I'm like, I should go to that room, and I went inside the bathroom, and all shoes are set on in a line, like like there's all
My
shoes are
room-
unpacked.
My room was a complete mess, always. Always.
It was-
I never
No, 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 no. Nobody's
I'm
nobody's
sure
room was
it.
nobody's room was messier than Dhruv's room. Dhruv's
Nobody's
room
My
was
room was
was cleaner
definitely
than our
no mess
room.
than. हाँ.
yeah,
Cat-
clean,
You know,
ठीक है, but
how
dirty.
cat used to act. How cat used to act. मैं मतलब पैर ऐसे रखा है ना ऐसे. Cat is like, अगर ये चप्पल बेड पे टच हुई भी हमें, throw you out of the room. And cat always had a good stuff to eat. मतलब cat के पास जाओ, so she used to give you some chips or some cookies
Yeah,
or something good.
she would treat
And
that,
like
treat-
इतना सामान.
She would treat that room like a home, like oh, I'm being the host today, like don't dirty
Yeah,
my
yeah,
house
yeah.
and all that. If you don't dirty it, I'll give you good things to eat.
वापस आते थे हम चैलेंज के बाद वापस आते थे केविन थक के ऐसे शूज के साथ ऊपर चढ़ जाता था and I'm like, क्या मैं इनको टेंशन I used to not even let him sit शांति से
Cat used
No,
to
but
be like,
I went to Dhruv's room. Dhruv's room was like, I'm telling you, Dhruv's room was messier than your room. Vyomesh, for sure.
अरे
It was very.
मेरे को आरुषि मिल गई थी ना. She used to help me to clean it. मतलब उसके बाद थोड़ा मेरा रूम साफ होता था. उससे पहले मेरे रूम में ऐसे जूते बाहर फैले हुए हैं. And Shudha used to come in and she used to like, मैं कैसे शूट करूँ तेरी मॉर्निंग रियलिटी? मैं कैसे शूट करूँ? मतलब मैं अंदर घुसे मेरे पैरों में जूते आ रहे हैं पहले.
मैंने तेरा रेड स्लीपर इतना यूज किया पूरे जुमेश का एक बड़ा सा रेड स्लीपर था और मैं स्लीपर्स नहीं लेके आई थी
What, to roam in the villa?
और जुमेश का स्लीपर
Cat, you know how Cat used to treat me. Cat used to treat me like, listen, Vyomesh, I know Kevin is your friend, but सुबह सुबह हमारे रूम में आ जाना is not cool. Like, मेरे को क्वारंटीन में इतनी आदत हो गई थी ना कि भाई
Yeah, man, going from side to side. It was rooms on the side also. Just get out, go to somebody else's room.
अरे क्वारंटीन में it used to be like कि मैं सुबह उठाऊं, I'm going to Kevin's room and he's like, हाँ व्योमेश, मैंने कहा मैं बोर हो रहा था, मैं तेरे पास आ गया. दोपहर को मैं जा रहा हूँ, केविन लंच आया है, शेयर करते हैं. इनफैक्ट शेयर क्या करते हैं, मैं उसका लंच भी खाता था. इन शॉर्ट I used to have his food as well as my food. Then dinner के टाइम पे I used to knock his room again and he used to take shower like 3-4 बार ही नहाता था केविन क्वारंटीन में. like इसने अपना पूरा क्वारंटीन नहा के निकाल दिया.
If I ever visit Kerala again now, I will. I think I'll make it a point that I'll go next to that area,
You'll
like
go
just
to
to
that
see
place?
again, man. Yeah, just to see again, man. Because like even if I don't end up staying there, like at that Poover Island or whatever, I'll
Someone is
just
asking,
go.
are you allowed to take your mobile phone to the
Oh,
show?
no.
Of course, we are not. No, you can't take
No,
it.
no, no.
You don't have any. I think
So
when we
that's
arrive-
about the whole like.
Yeah.
I actually enjoyed being without phone. It was
Yeah.
so
It
much
was
fun.
like a good detox.
Detox.
And once you're in the villa, you don't want to text, you don't
Yeah,
want to
I
call
don't
anybody
want to,
anyways.
like-
you know.
Exactly.
I wanted to use
The
my
only
phone. बता मैं.
You want? Nice.
I didn't want to use my phone. Like
Yeah,
maybe
I was
for
the
some
happiest. I was like, oh
for some
God,
for some
yeah.
challenges, if I had my phone, maybe yeah then. But otherwise, no, we weren't allowed to take our phones. We were like, your IDs, phones, cash, everything is taken away on the first day.
Yeah. Yeah. Remember the
You
time
don't
we
need-
wanted to eat something.
See, I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you. Everybody who's watching. I'll tell you why. We don't need our phones because there's plenty of entertainment in the villa with everybody else. There's enough drama happening, so you don't need a phone. Two, You don't need money because everything is fucking right there. If you want it, just call for it. It comes to you.
Yeah, that's
Don't need your ID proof because on the third day or the fourth day, everybody knows who the fuck you are because they're tired of dealing with you. And that's just it, man. Then for 35 days, that's the same drill
Don't
every day.
I used to be a part of every controversy and I couldn't keep my mouth shut. Every time. There used to be like 3 people left में, right में, पीछे, आगे.
I remember Shweta used to shout Vyomesh's name a lot. Like, you know, I used to say his name like how Kat used to say his name first. She'd be like, Vyomesh, Vyomesh, Vyomesh. I'm like, yeah, just Shweta, just keep quiet. Like,
yeah. Oh god.
even in that restaurant, Jam used to sit.
With me, I was never talking. I was not there. I was not a part of the conversation. But randomly, Shweta is shouting Vyomesh. उसको लग रहा है बोल रहा हूँ.
There's there's very few names I've not heard Shweta shouting. One maybe is like Kat and Arshi because they should not like defy them so much. Like
Yeah.
otherwise, everybody's name.
Don't talk to
Nikki
me.
is Nikki's name.
I remember Kevin का तो oh god the way Nikki and Kevin.
Yeah. Nikki and Kevin. मैं कहाँ बोल रही हूँ?
Gary को
हमेशा
Gary
last moment में उसको कुछ
But
change करना होता था.
Nikki used to get on her nerves. Nikki used to get on her nerves. Like legit, she would.
Makeup. Oh god, I remember.
When she's angry now, she's asking, you want ice cream?
वीडियो लेके जाता है दो पे चल साली I feel like Nikki चल बालों से पकड़ के चल तू घंटा हो गया तेरे को रेडी होते होते I told you सबसे पहले मतलब मैं तेरे 3 दिन पहले इन्फॉर्म कर देता हूँ कि 3 दिन बाद डोम है can still not get ready Pratik used to be like आज डोम है ready होना
स्टार्ट हुआ है. Everything.
Dude, she used to break down sometimes, man. She'd be like, no, they give me 5 minutes to get ready. I'm just like, huh?
Oh god. Oh god.
and he used to
Do you remember that day
take
when
2 minutes to
somebody's
change my
phone?
clothes and 5 minutes to like set my hair जो कि कभी सेट हो ही नहीं विला में ऐसा लगता था मेरे को मेरे बाल अच्छे लग रहे हैं
क्या?
but when I used to watch
आरुषि क्या बोल रही थी तू?
my god इतना
I'm
गंदा है
saying that Nikki like जब वो उसको लगता था that वो जल्दी में तैयार हुई है डोम में जाके she used to ask for somebody's phone and front camera on करके she used to be like
Yeah.
हाँ मैं ठीक लग रही हूँ मेरी फोटो खींचो तो I'll get
Oh, fuck, man.
रूम में जाके I used to be stressed I was like यार ये फिर लड़ाएंगे यार मेरे को नहीं लड़ना यार मेरे को नींद आ रही है और मेरे को कई बार पता है क्या होता था मेरे मन में क्या चलता था यार मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थोड़ा लिहाज कर लो यार
No, I think only the first dome because they had like to set up sound and all that, the camera angles and everything, right? Only the first dome was the first time that went till like 6 a.m. After that, nothing was so late, like, you know. It would get over by 3 or 4, but that first dome, I remember 6 o'clock we were coming back to the villa. I'm like, oh fuck, yaar. And I remember they told us to get call time was 12 o'clock. And we were all ready by 12 o'clock. I remember I wore wear something formal on the first day for the first dome. 12 o'clock, all of us are ready. 3 o'clock, we go to the dome. 3 o'clock, we are going. I'm just like from 12 to 3, I'm just like 3.
not 12 Trevon at 10 we were ready after dinner we were ready
Yeah,
and we had to
yeah.
wait for like 5 hours
3-4 hours we were sitting and I'm already sleepy. I'm like, "Arey fuck, is this dome happening or no?" Like, you know.
And
I
I feel
remember.
yesterday I was having
I don't know,
conversation
it's-
with Nikki. She's like, your VDs, you look like you're so sleepy. And I remember seeing my VDs and I'm like, I was so tired. I remember all those
You know,
videos.
I just realized this one top that you're wearing, VD, you know, that lazy one where it looks like lace.
I'm so
That you've
sleepy.
given so much VD, you've given so much VD in that top that one top is come in 2-3 episodes, like, you know,
Yeah.
because they've taken so much VD of yours.
Let's just do it. And at night, I used to be like, कौन जाएगा all the way फिर से villa change करेगा आएगा let's just get it done in this. And my face, you will look at my face. I'm like, my eyes are like this small.
Vyomesh has one standard. This in his video, you know, he's like this. Like always, this has to be his main pose. Like, you know, it has to be like this.
I never saw it, bro. I never saw it. I never saw my videos.
Notice.
Abhi, I
videos पता कैसे
regret
हुई?
so much, dude. Like I
You
yesterday,
think about it.
I was talking to Nikki and I was like, Abhi, I regret कि जितना हमें बोला जाता था, VD अच्छे से दो, VD करो, and I was like,
Yeah.
अरे मैंने challenge perform किया, VD.